everyone, welcome to the new episode of Amazing Dubai. This time I'm visiting a tourist destination that is as exciting as it is Dubai Miracle Garden. Dubai Miracle Garden is the largest flower garden in the world located in Dubai City, United Arab Emirates. This garden was built in the middle of a sand dune. When entering Dubai Miracle Garden, you will be charmed by the amazing flower garden view. The area of this garden is 72,000 square meters and has million flowers of various types with a very beautiful combination of colors, so you don't get bored of looking at it. Dubai Miracle Garden shows the miracle of nature in the form of a flower garden that is amazing. Opened on February 14, 2013, this garden has become a main attraction for local and international tourists who want to witness the beauty and charm of beautiful flowers. Because the beauty is incomparable, Dubai Miracle Garden has won 2 Guinness World Records awards. Back in 2015, the garden was awarded the Moselle Award as the New Garden Experiences of the Year, which were offered by the Garden Tourism Award 2015. Dubai Miracle Garden is considered the largest natural flower garden in the world, comprising over 50 million species of flowers and 250 million types of plants. The project was executed by the Akar Landscaping and Agriculture Company, with the leadership of Abdel Nasser Rahal, the Jordanian businessman, in a cost reached about $11 million. When visiting this garden, you will see various kinds of flowers, which is very beautiful and is perfectly arranged to create patterns, amazing shapes, and buildings. The shock is unstoppable when the eyes look directly at the Emirates Airbus A380, one of the largest fleet of aircraft in the world, which is the pride of the Arab Emirates. The plane is present in its true size and wrapped in various colors. This plane is like a fish stuck in the middle of Dubai Miracle Garden and invites visitors to approach it with a unique double-decker design with the exact size of the original. Emirates A380 is one of the super jumbo jets which became the flagship aircraft of the United Arab Emirates. Located in the heart of the largest flower garden in the world, the Emirates A380 figure is wrapped in more than 500,000 fresh flowers and plants. This is the largest building ever built in this garden, and even won a Guinness World Record. It is not surprising that this object attracts the attention of garden visitors. Another interesting part of this garden is the umbrella path. Hundreds of umbrellas are arranged in a curved and circular pattern according to the color of each umbrella. If visitors want to enjoy the beauty of the umbrella path for a longer time, here are tables and chairs to relax for a while. Too bad if you just walk under this beautiful umbrella without enjoying the amazing atmosphere. The water and flowers are a beautiful combination, and you can see it on a small artificial lake surrounded by flower beds. The water seems to continue to flow from the flower bed to the surface of the lake, so that the atmosphere seems really alive and real, as if you are not on a vast desert. Dubai Miracle Garden is not only a beautiful destination for flower lovers, but also a suitable place for the whole family. At this tourism destination, there are playgrounds, special goods and attractions, as well as restaurants and cafes that serve delicious food. This is a perfect place to spend time with family while enjoying the amazing natural beauty. If you plan to visit Dubai Miracle Garden, here are some tips that may be useful. First, visit the place in the right time. This park is open from November to May every year. This period is the best time to visit it. In other months, this park is closed due to very high temperatures in Dubai. Second, wear comfortable clothes. Make sure you wear comfortable and suitable clothes to walk in the park for a few hours. Third, don't forget to wear comfortable shoes because you will explore the world's largest flower garden, as well as a hat to protect you from the sunlight. Last but not least, bring your camera. Of course, you don't want to miss and forget this rare moment just like that. So make every beautiful moment in this park eternal. That concludes our visit to the Dubai Miracle Garden. We hope this video was helpful and can serve as a reference for planning your vacation with friends and family. See you at the next destination, and thank you for watching.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe ya.